Welcome to Tools Met. In this video, let's discover how a CNC machine delivers speed, accuracy, and reliability in modern production. CNC, or Computer Numerical Control, is a system where machines follow programmed commands instead of manual control. This allows cutting tools to move with exact precision, producing clean and repeatable results. CNC machines are used across woodworking, metal processing, plastic fabrication, furniture manufacturing, engraving, and industrial production. From basic cutting to complex patterns, these machines handle every task with efficiency and professional quality. The CNC process starts with a digital drawing made in CAD software. That design is then prepared using CAM software, which creates the cutting path. The final program, known as G-code, instructs the machine on direction, speed, and cutting depth. Important parts of a CNC machine include the machine controller, spindle unit, motors, linear motion system, work table, and cutting tools. Together, they ensure smooth operation and precise control during machining. A major benefit of CNC machines is uniform production. Once a program is loaded, the machine can repeat the same job multiple times with identical results. This makes CNC machines ideal for custom work as well as large volume manufacturing. CNC machines improve productivity by reducing manual labor, minimizing material waste, and increasing workplace safety,